Okay, let's now talk about how you find groups. There is pretty much a group for everything on this platform, and there are good groups and there are bad groups. But let's just talk now about how you find those groups. And this was one of the big changes that they made in 2017 to the kind of user interface. And in my opinion, it's a little harder to find the groups, but let me just talk you through that. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either come up to Discover, where it will suggest groups to you based on your profile. And much like the algorithms that we talked about in other sessions for people you might know, it's reading your profile and working out what might be of interest to you. But actually, in order to find a group, what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to this tab here, and we're going to use the search bar. Now, if I wanted to find a group for, let's say, inbound marketing, so I'm going to type in inbound marketing in the search bar, and you'll see here it says groups about inbound marketing. I'm going to click that, and you can see now you've got this secondary level of navigation which includes groups, and groups is highlighted here, and here we have 581 results for inbound marketing groups, and you can see the name of the group and the number of members within it, and pretty much everything you need to. So really what LinkedIn are trying to do here is make us do all our searching through this search bar, and that includes whether you're looking for people, for groups, for companies, for universities, for everything. So it's a really key point that to remember, is that whenever you want to find anything on LinkedIn, do it through the search.